If you want to quickly find important chats later, starring conversations in Claude AI is a simple way to keep them organized. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, I'll open Claude AI and go to the main chat interface. On the left side of the screen, I can see the sidebar where all of my conversations are listed. Next, I'll move my mouse over the conversation that I want to star. When I hover over it, a three-dot menu appears on the right side of that conversation. Now I'll click the three dots to open the conversation options. A small menu appears with several actions I can take. From this menu, I'll click Star Conversation. As soon as I click it, the conversation is starred and moved to the starred section at the top of the sidebar. This makes it much easier to access important chats without scrolling through the entire list of conversations. If I ever want to remove the star, I can hover over the same conversation again, click the three dots, and select Unstar Conversation. And that's it. The conversation is now starred and easy to find whenever I need it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tech tutorials.